Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 25 St Kilda Road in Rivervale. If you've been looking for a top-end family home that oozes character, then this is the one for you. Plus, we've got plenty of room for entertainment for the kids as well. And the added bonus, we've got a self-contained granny flat out the back. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 25 St Kilda Road in Rivervale. As you can see, this top-end family home oozes character and charm. To find more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.